Welcome back to Living Simple. In today's video, we're going to go over the easiest modification you could do to your weight tree, adding some wheels. So the very first thing we're going to do is a sophisticated form of measurement. Then we're going to peel off these stickers that wouldn't come off, so I had to use a little bit more evasive of the tool. And then we're going to go ahead to our next step and mask off any of the areas we don't want to get any spray paint on. We're going to go ahead and paint it black just because that's the theme of my gym, you know, gothic, little emo. Then we're going to go ahead and remove that after it is dried. Then we're going to go ahead and remove some of the weight so I can hoist it up and place it gently on the dolly. As you can see, it doesn't really need to be secured down, but we're going to do it for extra safety. We don't want this thing tumbling over and cracking our laminate flooring. As you can see, we used a regular dolly we're going to clamp it down with some hose clamps. These are the largest that Home Depot had, and they actually worked quite well. I bought 4, but I actually only used 2. As you can see here, I'm wrapping it around and using a screwdriver to secure it. Now, I flicked it and it sounded a little bit like a guitar, and I think that was too tight, so I backed out a little bit. Flip the other side, do the same thing. Now you can see how efficient my gym moves. Goes in, goes out, real nice. Here's a little close-up. Again, it's just a basic moving dolly. It is a medium-sized one from Harbor Freight. Cost me about $10. And this is a little demonstration of how it moves. A little spinny for you. Next time I'll get it in frame, I promise. All right. Now this is my large weight tree, our Marcy one that we got off of Amazon. And now you'll see how it just goes right back into place. It makes putting out and breaking down our gym so much easier, and it makes it so much easier to clean because stationary, it kind of sucks to sweep behind. Hope you liked the video. Hope you guys got some value. I'll see you guys next time.
Waiting for sunshine. Waiting for sunshine.